Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to get a McCullough ProMac 850 chainsaw. That's the 5 cubic inch 82cc motor. This was made in the late 70s. Very popular saw, very powerful. Cable running up to a 36 inch bar and chain. This one's got 24 inch Windsor bar, sprocket nose, with a 3/8 .050 gauge chain. And these are just a very powerful saw, very popular in the Pacific Northwest, and we'll take a close-up look at some of the features on this saw. Kill switch is the red button, easy to get at. Has the automatic oiler and manual override right here. That's if you need a couple extra squirts of oil if you're in a real pitchy tree, a big oak or something like that. That gives you a little extra oil for the bar and chain. Chokes on the right side. Got a decompression valve, and that's a red button right there just above the spark plug. Makes this high compression engine easier to start. These are very high compression engines. To start it, use the foot pad there. Start it on the ground. Foot in place, hand on the handlebars, and start it there with the decompression valve pushed in. It automatically pops out as soon as the saw starts, so makes it a lot easier to start. Got the working chain brake, falling spike. To adjust the tension on the bar, loosen these two bar nuts up, and right on the inside here, just beside that falling spike, is the tensioner. Just a very good running 5 cubic inch chainsaw, very powerful saw. We will go outside and make a cut now.